This was a triumph. I'm making a note here, huge success. It's hard to overstate my satisfaction. Aperture science. We do what we must because we can. For the good of all of us, except the ones who are dead. But there's no sense crying over every mistake. You just keep on trying till you run out of cake. And the science gets done and you make a neat gun for the people who are still alive. I'm not even angry. I'm being so sincere right now. Even though you broke my heart and killed me and tore me to pieces and threw every piece into a pile. As they burned, it hurt because I was so happy for you. Now these points of data make a beautiful line, and we're out of data, we're releasing on time. So I'm glad I got burned. Think of all the things we learned for the people who are still alive. Go ahead and leave me. I think I prefer to stay inside. Maybe you'll find someone else to help you. Maybe Black Mesa. That was a joke, haha, that chance. Anyway, this cake is great. It's so delicious and moist. Look at me still talking when there's science to do. When I look up there, it makes me glad I'm not you. I've experiments to run. There is research to be done on the people who are still alive. And believe me, I am still alive. I'm doing science and I'm still alive. I feel fantastic and I'm still alive. While you're dying, I'll be still alive. And when you're dead, I will be still alive. Still alive. Still alive.
Sex addiction, sir. Sex a woo-woo. It's a new phenomenon. We don't completely understand it, but it seems to make people different. Of course, we all know the normal healthy male thinks only of sex occasionally and has no desire for sex with multiple partners. Yes, we all know that. Go on. But in the sex addict, their entire lives are consumed with thoughts of wanting more and more. The mere sight of an attractive woman can make them think about sex with them. But what about love? How could tons of fame and money make you forget about love? What could be causing this outbreak of sexual addiction? It could be caused by something in the water supply, perhaps even by global warming or cooling. Yes. If so, then the disease could start to affect our children. That does it. I want health screenings in all our nation's schools. We need to find out if any young people might be carrying this disease. Good afternoon, students. We are going to be doing a health screening today. It won't take long, will be relatively painless.
Damn it.